You know, as someone who loves skincare, I'm like always looking for new innovations. And today I want to tell you about this product. It's highly effective. It's like totally unique. So I'm talking about this drinkable sun shield by Setu. Yes, you heard it right. And it's perfect for our busy lives. I'm going to share with you like how and why. So we all know the basics of skincare, right? We have to apply sunscreen daily to protect our skin from UV rays. So let's be honest, most of us do it like when we are going out, and even then it only gives us like this external protection. But have you ever thought about the damage that UV rays are causing internally? Let me guess, no, even I didn't think till the time I actually got my hands on this product. So that's what this drinkable sunscreen is here to save the day. So Setu's Sun Protect Drinkable Sun Shield, works from inside out to shield your skin from harmful UV rays. All you have to do is just mix it in water, sip it, and you're good to go all day. Simple, right? So here how it works. If you talk about this box, it has 30 dissolvable powder sachets. So there is no mess, there's no hassle. You can in fact carry them with you when you're traveling, going outside, and it protects your skin from inside, fighting sun damage caused by UVA and UVB rays. So you don't have to worry about tanning, redness, or pigmentation. This has become my secret weapon against sun damage. So I drink it in the morning before I step out for shoot or for travel. And if you talk about the taste, it's like so refreshing and comes in this yummy strawberry flavor with no weird aftertaste. So you're gonna enjoy drinking it in the morning. So if we are talking about an effective product, so obviously the magic has to lie in the ingredients. The key ingredient here is Nutrox Sun, which is sourced straight from the sunlit shores of Spain. It's clinically proven to boost your UV tolerance. It reduces your oxidative stress and even combats hyperpigmentation. So this is like next level sun care. And that's not all. Sun Protector is also packed with glutathione. So we all know it's like this huge big antioxidant which brightens your skin and reduces pigmentation. It also has powerful ingredients like astaxanthin and lycopene to promote healthy aging. With that, it has skin nourishing vitamins like vitamin C, retinol acetate, and niacinamide to enhance your skin's glow. Now I know what you might be thinking is like, if I'm drinking internal sunscreen, will it not block my vitamin D? So it's not like that, you don't have to worry, it does not. Unlike topical sunscreen, Sun Protect doesn't stop UVB rays from helping your body to make vitamin D. So it's like a best bet of both worlds, like you're getting the sun safety and you're also getting the daily dose of vitamin D. And then as I shared with you earlier also, it's super easy to include in your routine. All you have to do is just take a sachet in water and we're all set for full day protection. So I've been using this drinkable sunscreen for 3 weeks now, and trust me, it's amazing. Like basically if you're someone who has like very high pigmentation prone skin, and in fact as we start aging and all, it's very important to protect, like more the protection you can give to your skin, more it's better, especially if you can do something from inside. So the results, if you see here, you can see for yourself like the difference in the skin that it has made for me. It helps in reducing pigmentation, my skin doesn't burn or get red when I go out, and also gives you like this healthy glow because of all the vitamins and antioxidants that it has. So if I talk about myself, to be very honest, it's like a total game changer in your daily skincare routine, which provides you like complete skin protection without any hassle. So if you're also looking to make your sunscreen routine simple, this is the way to go, like Setu's Skin Protect Drinkable Sunscreen. Now trust me, if you really want to protect your skin naturally from inside and keep it safe from sun damage, you should definitely try Setu's Skin Protect Drinkable Sunscreen. A link is in the description, check it out now. And if you're someone who's been already drinking it, so do let me know in the comment box like how it has been for you, because I would love to know that. And do let me know like what does your sunscreen routine look like. Let's chat in the comment box. So stay protected, stay glowing. Bye, and I'll see you in my next video.